أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. اللهم صل على محمد ما ذكره الذاكرون الأبرار، وصل على محمد مختلف الليل والنهار، وصل على محمد وعلى المهاجرين والأنصار. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Alhamdulillah. Here comes another day and we have our quiz, science quiz, right?
Yes.
Okay, and I hope you are all ready, both the boys and what? The girls. So listen to your question. The boys, your major question: what are living things?
Living things are things that have life in them.
Clap for him. The living things are things that have what? Life in them. Good. The girls, give 3 examples of living things. Examples. Give 3 examples of living things.
Human being,
Human beings,
animals,
animals,
plants.
plants. Clap for her. The boys, define non-living things. You have to raise up your hand first.
Non-living things are the things that do not have life in them.
Clap for him. Good. The girls, give any 3 examples of non-living things. Examples of non-living things.
Rocks and minerals,
Rocks and minerals,
water and other liquid,
water and other liquids.
dead matter.
Clap for her. The boys, give 1 characteristics of living things. 1 characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. Take it.
Physiological criteria.
Physiological criteria. Clap for him. The girls, give 1 characteristics of living things. The same question. The same question. Give 1. Who will take it?
Physiological.
No, he said physiological criteria.
Biological
What?
criteria.
Clap for her. Biological what? Criteria. The boys, define the term cellularity. Cellularity.
Cellularity. Living things are composed of 1 or more cells.
Clap for him. The girls, what is excretion? Excretion. Excretion.
Living things eliminate waste products such as urine, etc.
Clap for her. Good. The boys, give 3 other names of non-living things. 3 other names of non-living things. So non-living things are also known as what? Give 3.
Abiotic factor.
Abiotic factor.
Inorganic matter.
Inorganic matter.
Inanimate objects.
Inanimate objects. Clap for him. The girls, the same question. 3 other names of what? Non-living things. He said abiotic factor, inanimate object. Give other 3. Give another 3.
Innate matter,
Innate matter.
lifeless object,
Lifeless object.
dead matter.
Dead matter. Clap for her. Good. The boys, give 2 examples of chemical compound. 2 examples of what? Chemical compound. Examples of chemical compounds. Take it.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Salt.
Salt. Clap for him. Sugar and what?
Salt.
And salt. Good. The girls, give 2 examples of gases. Examples of gases. 2.
Carbon dioxide gas.
Raise your voice. Raise your voice. Raise your voice.
Carbon dioxide gases.
Carbon dioxide gases.
Oxygen gas.
Oxygen gases. Clap for her. Good. The boys, your major question. State in order the level of organization. State in order the level of what? Organization. From this to this, from this to this, from this to this. In order. The level of organization.
Cell.
Cell.
Tissue.
Tissue.
Organs.
Organ.
System.
System.
Organism.
Organism. Clap for him. Good. The girls. What is a cell? What is a cell?
Cell is a basic structure of units.
Come again.
Cell is the basic structure of units.
Of what?
Units.
Come again.
Cell is the basic structure of units.
You can tell her. You can communicate. Come again. Cell.
Cell is the basic structure of life.
Clap for her. Cell is the basic structure and functional unit of what? Life. Good. The boys. What is a tissue? What is a tissue? What is a tissue? After cell comes tissue. So what is a tissue? What is a tissue? What is a tissue? Or should I give them the bonus? What is a tissue? Your time is going. Your time is moving. What is a tissue?
Cells are a group of similar cells. Tissue.
No. Come again.
Tissue are a group of similar cells.
Tissues are groups of what? Similar cells. Clap for him. Good. The girls. What is an organ? What is an organ? Who will take it? Organ.
Organ is a group of tissue.
Organ is a group of what? Tissue. Clap for her. Good. The boys. What is a system? What is a system? We are wasting our time. What is a system? Should we give the bonus to them? Huh? Okay.
System are a group of organ.
Systems are a group of what? Organ. Clap for him. Good. Mashallah. The girls, name one type of root system. Name one type of root system. Root system. Name only one.
Taproot system.
Taproot system. Clap for her. The boys, name one type of root system. The same question.
The fibrous root system.
The fibrous root system. Clap for him. The girls, State two examples of taproot system plants. Taproot system plant. Two example.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Pawpaw.
Pawpaw. Clap for her. The boys. State two examples of what? Fibrous root system plants. Gaddafi.
Onion.
Huh?
Onion.
Onion.
Palm oil.
Palm oil. Clap for him. Good. This is the end of first round. This is the end of what? First round. Now we are moving to the second round, which is spellings and what? And history. So the boys, spell the word billion. Billion.
Billion. B-I-L-L-I-O-N. Billion.
Clap for him. The girls, spell the word million. Million.
M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Million.
Clap for her. The boys, spell the word chemistry. Chemistry. Chemistry.
Chemistry. C-H.
Raise your voice.
Chemistry. C-H-E-M-I-S-T-R-Y. Chemistry.
Clap for him. The girls, spell the word physics. 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 Physics.
Physics. P-H-Y-S-I-C-S. Physics.
Come again.
Physics. P-H-Y-S-I-C-S. Physics.
Clap for her. The boys, who were the Europeans? Or who are the Europeans? Who are the Europeans?
Europeans are citizens from Europe.
Come again. Raise your voice.
Europeans are citizens from Europe.
Clap for him. The girls. Europe is one of the dash in Africa. Europe is one of the dash in Africa.
Europe is the one of the continents in the world.
Yeah, one of the continents in the world. Yes, I've mistaken. Clap for her. Let me give it back. Okay. The boys. What was the name given to Ghana in the olden days?
Gold Coast.
Clap for him. The girls. Name two items Europeans gave Ghanaians in exchange of gold.
Gunpowder.
Gunpowder and what?
Gun.
And gun. Clap for her. The same question. Name two.
Alcoholic beverages.
Alcoholic beverages.
Clothes.
And clothes. Clap for him. Good. The girls. Who were the first Europeans to come to Gold Coast? Who were the first Europeans?
Portuguese.
Come again.
Portuguese.
Is she correct?
Yes.
The Portuguese.
Yes.
The Portuguese.
Yes.
Clap for her. I wanted to confuse her. The boys. Who Who were the second Europeans to come to Ghana? The second.
We're Dutch.
Huh?
Dutch.
No, it's only one attempt. Bonus to the girls. The second Europeans to come to Gold Coast.
British.
British, clap for her. It's only one mark. The girls, this is your major question. Which people built the Cape Coast Castle? Which people built the Cape Coast Castle?
The Europeans.
Huh?
The Europeans.
Yeah, the Europeans. Which of the Europeans? We have the British, the Portuguese, the Danes, who among them?
British.
British. Clap for her. Good. The boys. In which year was the Cape Coast Castle built? In which year?
(1963).
Wrong. He said 1953. Wrong. Bonus to the girls. In which year was the Cape Coast Castle built?
1940.
Wrong. Wrong. Audience. It's 1650. 1650. So you also had wrong. You had it wrong.
But it's bonus.
It's bonus.
Yeah.
It's bonus. Okay. So the boys, they had how many zeros? 2 zeros. So this is your major question. The girls, give one positive impact of the Europeans' arrival in Gold Coast. One positive impact. One positive impact. When the Europeans arrived in Gold Coast, what did we achieve? Only one. One positive impact.
Education.
Education. Clap for her. Good. Your last question. The boys, your last question. The same question. Give one positive impact of the arrival of what? The Europeans in Gold Coast. One positive impact.
They built forts and castles.
They built fort and what? Castles. Clap for him. Your last question. Your last question. My questions here. Okay. You've answered all. Your last question. Okay, you the boys, ask them question. Ask them any question. Who will ask them question? Ask them the question that you know that they cannot answer it. Yes.
Who are the last Europeans that came to Ghana?
Now, who were the last Europeans that came to Ghana?
The Swedish.
The what?
The Sweden.
The Sweden. Clap for her. Now, let's make our calculation. At the end of the first round, listen. At the end of the first round, the boys had 60 marks. Clap for them. Clap for them. And the girls had 60 marks. So 60-60 at the end of the first round. Let's count this. At the end of the second round, which is the final round, the boys had the marks of what? 30 marks. Clap for them. And the girls had the marks of what? 36 marks. Clap for them. So the girls win this quiz. Clap for them. Round of applause for them. So this is the end of what? Our quiz. This is the end of what? Our quiz. Inshallah. Until we meet next week. Assalamu alaikum. قل الحمد لله قل الحمد لله قل الحمد لله وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى الله خير أما يشركون
قل الحمد لله قل الحمد لله قل الحمد لله وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى الله خير أما يشركون